Okay, that was a long train. I wonder who will join first.
Am I first? Oh hi BNSF.
Hi, CSX, is Santa Fe coming?
No, I heard that he crashed.
Oh no, is he okay?
I think so. But can I invite someone?
Sure, go ahead.
CSX invited via rail to the group chat.
Hi.
Hi
Hi,
Via.
Via.
So, who else had a train last night?
I did.
Same here.
Oh, I'm getting a call.
Who's it from?
It's from Santa Fe.
Help me be NSF. I'm trapped in this big shed.
We have to help him.
Well, I can't help, sorry. See, look.
See, I have a train.
GTG. Bye.
Please CSX.
I already said no. So bye.